Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious butter egg curry. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including 6 perfectly boiled eggs and 2 generous tablespoons of butter. Then, we'll create a fragrant base with finely chopped onions, ginger, and garlic. Next, we'll simmer our rich curry sauce to perfection, ensuring it develops a wonderful depth of flavor. Finally, we'll gently incorporate the eggs and add a touch of cream for that irresistible finish. Let's get cooking. To begin our butter egg curry, heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pan over medium heat. Once melted, add 1 large, finely chopped onion. Sauté the onion for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes beautifully golden brown and translucent. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Cook these aromatics for approximately 1 minute, allowing their wonderful fragrance to develop throughout the pan. This forms the flavorful foundation of our curry. Now let's build our rich and creamy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder to the pan. Stir well to combine with the onion mixture. Pour in 1 cup of smooth tomato puree and 1/4 cup of water. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the sauce thickens and the oil separates. Finally, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth. For the grand finale, gently place your 6 peeled, boiled eggs into the simmering curry sauce. Ensure each egg is well coated with the flavorful gravy. Allow them to cook for 3 to 5 minutes, letting the eggs absorb all the wonderful spices and aromas. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh cream, giving our butter egg curry its signature richness and velvety texture. Garnish generously with freshly chopped cilantro. Serve this delightful dish hot with fluffy rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.